Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Christine of Side Street Market, and today I thought I would just take you on a little tour of my vintage Christmas in my home. We're going to start off here on the couch where I have one of my favorite Afghans I thrifted last year and I've been using for the holiday season. I just love all the bright colors, and then I have my little quilted guys on the couch, and then we're going to walk over, and I'm using a new stabilizing stick. There's Holly. And I have my vintage tablecloths and my Santa on the table. I know I'm filming, Holly. Thank you. So here I have my vintage tablecloth. And you can see my little vintage Santas there. And I'm using a new stabilizer. So I'm trying to... There we go. You guys can see those a little better. And then these, which if you guys have watched my videos, you'll see... I'm trying to get it. Sorry. Here we go. There's my new hutch set, and then all my vintage Christmas I have over here. So let's do a little tour, and I'll just kind of let you guys take a look. Santas. And that top box is actually from my parents. So I have some vintage ornaments from family. And this nativity is the nativity I grew up with as a child. My mother let me have it. And so it does have some love from pets over the years, you know, eating the pieces, and you know, the poor cow got chewed by the dogs, but it's just fun memories. And then we have our cardboard holder there for Christmas cards. I was really excited. I found this tree this year while thrifting, so I'll just kind of take you through some of my other little... Step back a bit so you guys can get a good look at everything. My little choir section. The cats are jumping on everything because I'm here. Both of these shiny brights also came from my parents, so I have them kind of up here to protect them. There's those elves that everyone liked. They're salt and pepper shakers from one of my Christmas hauls. And this blow mold I got from Misty, Thrifter Junker Vintage Hunter. And then we come down to one of my favorite things, and I love this plastic Hong Kong Garland that I found and thrifted. It's all these really fun candies. And now I'm going to take you inside my display. Excuse me. And the top shelf, this stuff is all real fragile, so I have it in here because this all came from my parents and was passed down to me. So I didn't want it out where, you know, the cats will mess with it or anything. So that's that. And this guy, he's one of those roly-polies that my dad had as a kid. And I remember this on our mantle as a kid. So that's fun. And then this is my latest holly collection. So let me pan down. All my holly plates this year. And then I just have some fun ornaments on the bottom. And the very bottom is just some Pyrex. And then there's the Volkswagen I got from Beth at Carolina Princess Sweet Treats and Pretties. And there's Chappie, everyone's favorite mischief maker, climbing inside the cabinet. Of course. Out, nope. Okay, so we'll go ahead and tour the other part of the house now and let him hang out in there. But yeah, I just... let you guys take that all in. And now we'll head over and see my Christmas tree. So this, alright guys, so this is the other half of my living room I have decorated. There is my Christmas tree. Let me turn this off for a minute so you guys can get a better. There it is. I was tempted to decorate the treadmill this year, but I'll take you guys in to see some of the ornaments I have on here. I have some cookie cutters. I wish I could. There you go. You can see some of my fun vintage ornaments. I actually made that Santa tag. This is a Tim Holtz chipboard tag, and with some ephemera, I actually made that guy. The video on how I made this is on my YouTube channel. And I also stained these with alcohol ink, and I made that garland as well, and that video is also on my YouTube channel. If you guys look back through some of my older DIYs, I have a couple of like 7 days of Christmas that I did. I love this one from when we took our honeymoon in Santa Fe. This little guy I just got from Beth, Carolina Princess, and this one I got from Michelle Comfy Cozy Living. There's another one of my candy garlands. So yeah, that's my tree, guys. And then we'll head on over to my other mantle where I have my carolers and some of my brass and my holiday bells. You can see I have some shiny brights in the jar. I have my brass candles, and then I have my lucite candles that I got from the Cult of Vintage, Michael. So let me pan back so you guys can see my whole mantle there. There you go. And then there's our stockings. The cat's stocking, of course, is up top there. There you go. And then here are my other carolers. And the cookie cutters in this jar are actually all from when I was a kid. Those are the ones we used to make gingerbread cookies. So that is it, guys. This is my first year doing like a lot of vintage for Christmas. So I hope you liked it. If there's anything that really jumped out at you, please leave notes in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Remember that thumbs up and subscribe. And everyone have a very Merry Christmas and a happy, healthy New Year.